As you take a product and create a great customer experience, you start to see a decrease in customer support costs, a decrease in returns, but you also start to have these other external measures. Sometimes it's star ratings, net promoter score. These things start to gradually increase. The money always flows and follows behind these experiences.
Yeah, I think that's really important for people to understand. There are so many tentacles to the economics behind customer experience. Many people think it's just about getting more people to buy our stuff, that we're going to see a revenue increase. And revenue increases are notoriously hard to quantify or project. But what people need to understand is while you can ultimately quantify revenue increases by things like understanding where are your referrals coming from, and is it from positive word of mouth, for example, but what many companies I think overlook is that there is an expense part to the equation, and that a great customer experience actually helps you to better control, if not reduce, your operating expenses. Because when you're delivering a great experience upstream, it actually obviates the need for people to contact your organization downstream for what are really dumb, avoidable reasons, things that they shouldn't have to spend their time on, that create stress on your organization and increases your costs. So a great customer experience in many ways can be self-funding to some degree because there is that expense part of the equation.